Need to convert stereo audio to a single mono channel? This workflow is useful when speech does not need stereo and compatibility or file simplicity matters. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open stereo to mono converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a source file. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. The left and right channels are mixed into one output channel. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a true one-channel MP3. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Stereo width is intentionally removed. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.